Ooh, do you see? I'm glowing. What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Chandra. I'm back with another video. As you can see, I don't have any makeup on. My face is extremely dry right now because I just got out the shower and like washed it and stuff. But your girl's skin has been tripping, and I like switched birth controls. I've done a bunch of things I shouldn't have done. Okay, I tried different skin products. Stupid me. But we need to get her back into shape. So I'm gonna try a turmeric mask, do it for 5 days. I really want, you know, my hyperpigmentation to go away. I've always been scared to do the turmeric mask just because I heard it's so like staining and I don't want like a yellow face. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna put my hair up. Need a set because we all about hair growth too, you know what I'm saying? All right, I'm just gonna do like a basic recipe that I found online, and I'm gonna keep it. So lots of turmeric. I'm not measuring anything, I'm not that person. Okay, so we have this, and then some honey. I guess that seems like enough. Maybe I need more turmeric. I don't know. What do you think? I'm gonna put some tea tree oil just so I can like dry up my pimples that are still active, because that's new. Just a few dashes right there, like that, like so, like that. And then a little bit of water. Oh, I just thought about it. This bowl's gonna be stained, huh? Wow, Chandra. So I'm done. I am gonna keep this on my face for what, like 5-10 minutes? I'm gonna do 5 because I'm scared. I really don't want it to stain me. And then I'll be back. Okay, so it's been like 10 minutes and I'm about to wash it off. Cross our fingers, hopefully it goes well. Okay, so just washed off, but as you can see, I definitely still have yellow on me. And I used a cleanser to wash off. Somehow it got in my freaking ear, but I'm hoping that this is all worth it. I'm just going to keep trying to wipe away. My hands weren't that, oh, I need to get it on my nails. My hands weren't that bad, but here's how my face looks. And we'll try this again tomorrow. I just want some freaking clear skin, dog. Like, what is it? Why can't I not have hyperpigmentation? So hopefully this, ooh, do you see, I'm glowing. Do you see that? Maybe it's already working. Ooh, okay. So day 1's done. Let's see what the rest has to offer for me. day 3, 4. 3 or 4, not sure. See you tomorrow. Day 5, I'm so ready to see like the comparison because I haven't really looked at the footage from day 1 to now. Just looking at my skin every day, I notice, but I'm not sure if it's just like my eyes playing tricks on me. You know how that sometimes that happens, but we'll see. Okay guys, so this is the final day, 5th day. No, yesterday was the 5th day. Today is me just talking, giving you the overview of what I think the turmeric mask did. So if you're, if you've gone to the end, you see this progress, and I can definitely tell that things have faded a lot. Like my skin, the dark marks that I have had, they've faded. It's not like a crazy difference, but it's definitely made a change. I had active acne and that has dried up. And my face, I don't know, my skin just looks more youthful to me. Is it just me? Let me know down below if you see it. I feel like I'm shining a little bit. But I would say definitely try this mask out. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already a part of the family, gang gang, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I do upload. Comment below on what else you want me to film, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.